Welcome. In this lesson, we'll learn how to build AI product roadmaps when you can't be sure things will work. Unlike traditional software, AI feasibility is uncertain until you experiment. We'll cover a phased, hypothesis-driven approach that balances experimentation, data needs, and real shipping milestones. Traditional roadmaps assume that if you build a feature correctly, it works. AI breaks that assumption. You don't know if a model can hit the quality bar until you experiment. There are 4 big uncertainties: feasibility, data availability, user value, and production cost or latency. So an AI roadmap should be designed to learn, not merely to ship a predefined feature list. Instead of listing promises, frame each roadmap item as a hypothesis. We believe a given model or feature will achieve a specific outcome for a specific user segment, and we'll know we're right when we see a measurable signal. This turns the roadmap into a sequence of bets, each of which can be proven wrong cheaply before you overinvest. Structure the roadmap into 3 phases. Discovery uses time-boxed spikes to test whether the core capability is even achievable. Validation ships a narrow real version to a small audience to test value and trust, often with a human in the loop. Scaling hardens reliability, reduces cost and latency, and adds monitoring. Between each phase sits a gate where you decide to advance, iterate, or stop. Sequencing matters. Front-load the biggest uncertainty, usually data assessment and feasibility. Don't polish UX before you know the model performs. Always run a simple baseline first, sometimes a heuristic is good enough. Give data collection and labeling their own timeline, and keep a manual fallback so you can deliver value while the model matures. Define what success and failure look like before you start. A gate might say, proceed to validation only if offline F1 is at least 0.80 and labeling cost per item is under 50 cents. Equally important are kill criteria, the conditions that tell you to stop investing. Pre-committing to these prevents sunk cost momentum from keeping a doomed bet alive. Stakeholders need honesty without panic. Present and proven work in now, next, and later horizons rather than precise quarterly dates. Attach confidence levels to items. Clearly separate committed, low uncertainty engineering from exploratory research bets. And treat the roadmap as a living artifact that updates as learning milestones produce evidence. To summarize, a strong AI roadmap is a chain of de-risking decisions. Identify the riskiest assumption, design the cheapest test to validate it, set a gate with clear success and kill criteria, and commit more resources only when evidence clears the gate. This keeps your team adaptive while still giving the business a credible path to shipping.